running through the scenarios with Body Interact. It's been having a lot of fun. I think it's super helpful for me as a student, just get some reps in for dealing with real patients. I think simulation is definitely the future of medicine. I found it really fun and helpful and low pressure, but still intellectually stimulating. I think it's a great opportunity to get some experience as a preclinical student, especially.
That I learned a lot about like thinking on my feet, thinking fast, trying to figure out a way to assess the patient, diagnose the patient.
Definitely helpful because instead of trying on the actual person, you actually learning. So there's room from error for error and learning. So I think this is definitely really good. I really enjoyed it.
This is definitely a very good study tool. It gives you a visual way to actually see what you're doing. Like, it's one thing hearing about something that you could do to treat a specific condition. It's something else actually seeing what you're doing.
What I liked the most was I realized the importance of like opening comments and remarks here, like how important it is to greet the patient and ask how they're doing. That gives you a lot of information about what happened before they came and helps us assess the information a lot better.
In the simulation, you still feel like a connection with like the patient that's on the screen.
It's been a really great resource to kind of get into what it's like in the real world and kind of get to experiment and experience what that's like as a real physician or a medical student.
It's also a great experience to kind of figure out what it's like to work in a team, especially in a healthcare setting. Everyone has different ideas on what should be done and what actions we should take to help these patients, and it's really good to kind of see what you're going to be like working within a team like that. I also really appreciate that we get the feedback once we're done, so we can see exactly what we did right, what we did wrong, and what we can do to improve in the future. I think that's really a good learning experience, especially as people who want to be in the medical field.
Future medical professionals, I think it's important to see what you can do wrong and how you can improve, and that way we don't lose any patients, even virtually.